Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can increase the text size in Chrome without using the zoom feature for websites. So in order to increase text size in Chrome, you have to download an extension called Advanced Font Settings. This is not an extension that's been developed by Google, but if you go to the settings menu and you go to Advanced Font Settings, Google recommends that you use this extension. So go ahead and install it, and then right click the extensions icon next to the URL bar and select Options. Now you've got three different types of fonts that you can change the size for. You have to change the size for proportional fonts, the size for fixed width fonts, and the minimum size for fonts. Change it to whatever you want and then click the apply button at the bottom. The font size is going to update for all websites, and it's also going to change for the Chrome settings page. It doesn't change the font size for the tabs up here, which is kind of a really bad shortcoming. But for everything else, you don't have to zoom into the page and you get a bigger font. And you can see that for this website, I have the zoom set to 0, but the text is much bigger than it normally is. You can change the font size anytime you want from the extension settings, and it's going to apply right away. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.